Hey everyone, and welcome back to check out the amazing LEGO Technic Monster Jam Grave Digger set. This brilliant 2-in-1 vehicle brings the thrills of iconic monster trucks right to your room. Featuring a powerful pullback motor and an authentic design with ghost and fire stickers, it delivers non-stop action. Young builders can easily rebuild the truck into a rugged off-road buggy for even more excitement. It also offers a fun introduction to engineering while inspiring creative play every single day. This awesome building set makes a perfect birthday or holiday gift for kids ages 7 and up. Grab yours today and start building your own epic stunts. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.